Alright? Listen, I know I've already got started, but here's a recipe that I can do, that you can all do actually, for a simple yet delicious lunch. 1 all-butter croissants from Walmart, your neighborhood market, your local neighborhood market, or other stores. Next, Hillshire Black Forest ham. Make sure it's Hillshire. Make sure there's 2 slices on the butter. Next, what you're gonna want to get is Sargento, or however you say it, ultra thin Swiss cheese or regular Swiss cheese. But make sure it's the same brand. If you have ultra thin, put on 2 slices. Okay. If you're taking this to work, I usually eat it cold, but if you're having it at home, warm it up in the microwave. Nice and gooey and warm. Then place the top on it. If you want to add any other accessories to it, go right ahead. Look at that beauty. The ham just blends in with the cheese. Next, what you're gonna want to do, wrap it up in a napkin. Get a small container like this. Open it up. And put said sandwich into the container. And if you want to work, put it in your lunchbox. Fits perfectly along with whatever you have else in there. Oh, son of a bitch. That's it. Bye. Click there for more.